Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this middle icon here, and like this you can switch aspect ratios. But also you can just swipe like this and access this menu, and here in this menu you can select aspect ratios too. So you have 3:4, 9:16, and also full screen aspect ratio. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.